This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change your background theme in Google Chrome. I'm going to jump over to the Google Chrome browser here. The first thing you need to do is click on the three-dot Hamburger menu in the top right corner. Then you'll go down to where it says Settings and select that. In the pane off to the left-hand side here, you want to select Appearance. Then you will scroll down to where you see the Appearance area and you want to click on Theme. And from here it gives you a wide variety of different types of themes. You can have artistic themes here, just plain colored themes, dark and black themes here. And in each section it has a View All. If you select that, it shows you even more selections like these here. I'm going to click on it. These are just solid color themes. I'm going to go back. I'm going to select this one here. Once you've selected one, you just click on Add to Chrome. I'm going to select that. It'll take it a few seconds. Now it has been, as you can see, it has been added to Chrome. Now if I open a new tab, I'll click on the plus up here in my tab area to open a new tab, and there we have my background theme. If you want these links turned off, the way you do that, the little pencil in the lower right hand corner, you want to click on the little pencil, and then you want to click on the shortcuts, and then you'll toggle on the hide shortcuts area. You'll toggle this on, then you'll click done, and now those links are gone here. That's how you change your background theme in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching.